Okay, so we finished overlocking the shoulder seam now. So what we're going to do next is I'm just going to do a top stitch to make the seam lie flat, and that will also make the hoodie sit better. The other thing is I usually fold the seam to the back, fold it to the back when I top stitch it. And also the other thing that I wanted to mention was now remember the front and the back panel the pattern on the front and back panel will align on the side seam. There will be alignment there, but not on the shoulder seam, because the shoulder seam is cut at the degree. So the panels will not always line up. So that's just something that I wanted to mention. But in any case, the only one that I think really matters is the front panel, because that is what you see first. It's not going to be easy to align the front and back shoulder patterns on if you're working with the pattern material. But in any case, this is only a hoodie. But yeah, so the idea is now just to do a top stitch here. And today is a beautiful day. It's a really sunshine, nice sunshine, and apparently there's snow in one of the other provinces. So they said the temperatures will drop a bit here with us around Friday. So, but it's really a beautiful day. So the seam is now flat. In any case, we cut this off with the overlocker. So there it is. It looks nice from the front, and at the back the seam is nice and flat as well. So that looks good. Let me do the second one. I must move my sewing machines so that I can get better angles on these videos. You only have so much space, and no, this is not a priority for me. I really do the videos also just for myself. And then if other people can benefit from it, it's a good thing. But I really need to do something about it. Okay, so here it is, finished now. So the next step now is, so this one also looks nice. And on the inside the seam is flat as well. So the next step now is to attach the sleeves before I close the side seam. A lot of people insert the sleeve and then close the side seam, but I don't. I attach the sleeve before I close the side seam. And then we're coming back here to do a top stitch. The same as this one for the sleeve, and then we're going to close the side seam and come back again. So there's a lot of jumping between these two machines. Sometimes it's better to turn the overlock machine, especially these industrial machines, so that you can just pivot your chair. So if you turn it this way, you overlock but I don't have enough space here where I'm sitting. Okay, so I think we're happy with everything now. It is now just the sleeve, which is the next video.